With rising utility costs and growing awareness of sustainable living, energy efficiency is no longer just a trend, it's a necessity. Homeowners in Shelby Township are increasingly seeking ways to reduce energy waste, lower monthly bills, and increase the comfort of their homes. That's where My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Shelby Twp stands out as a trusted partner. Specializing in comprehensive exterior home improvements, this local company offers expertly crafted solutions that do more than beautify your home. They create an energy-efficient environment that pays off in the long run. Energy-efficient windows. Ceiling and comfort windows are one of the biggest culprits when it comes to energy loss. Outdated or poorly sealed windows allow drafts to creep in during winter and let cooled air escape during summer. The result? Your HVAC system works overtime, and your utility bills reflect it. My Quality Windows installs high-performance, Energy Star-rated windows designed to combat these issues. These modern windows feature low emissivity coatings that reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light in double or triple pane glass with insulating gas fills that reduce heat transfer, tight, weatherproof seals to block air leakage and drafts. The impact is immediate. Improved indoor comfort, quieter interiors, and significant reductions in heating and cooling expenses. For Shelby Twp homeowners, it's a smart investment with long-term value. Roofing that keeps energy in and weather out. Your roof does more than protect against the elements. It plays a major role in how efficiently your home retains heat in the winter and reflects it in the summer. If your roofing system is outdated, damaged, or poorly ventilated, your home could be losing energy through the top. My Quality roofing services include the installation of advanced roofing materials that help reflect UV rays and solar heat, especially with energy-efficient shingle options. Improve insulation and attic ventilation to regulate indoor temperature. Reduce heat islands and moisture buildup, protecting your home's interior environment. With proper roofing from My Quality, your home will stay warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, and more cost-efficient year-round. Siding with built-in insulation siding doesn't just add curb appeal. It acts as an extra layer of protection against heat loss and weather damage. Traditional siding materials can crack or warp over time, opening the door to drafts, water intrusion, and poor energy performance. My Quality siding solutions offer modern, insulated options that wrap your home in a continuous thermal barrier, prevent hot or cold air from penetrating wall cavities, enhance moisture resistance and indoor air quality. This added insulation works like a thermal blanket, reducing the need for constant HVAC use and keeping your family comfortable in all seasons. It also reduces the risk of mold and mildew, creating a healthier indoor environment. Comprehensive exterior upgrades equals maximum efficiency. What sets My Quality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Shelby Twp apart is their holistic approach to energy efficiency. Rather than addressing one area of concern, they provide full exterior assessments and tailored solutions that work together to improve your home's performance as a whole. Benefits of this full-service approach include fewer air leaks and cold spots, more consistent indoor temperatures, lower monthly energy bills. A more sustainable, eco-friendly home. By treating your home as an interconnected system, MyQuality helps you get the most out of every upgrade, whether it's new windows, roofing, or siding. Final thoughts. Upgrade for comfort and saving. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a more comfortable, resilient, and environmentally responsible home. With decades of experience and a strong local reputation, MyQuality Windows, Roofing, Siding and More of Shelby Twp delivers expertly installed solutions that improve your home's efficiency from top to bottom. Whether you're ready to reduce your utility bills, increase your home's value, or simply live more comfortably, MyQuality is the name to trust in Shelby Township.